All children and young people have rights. These are the things you need to grow up healthy, happy and safe. Your rights include a right to feel safe, a right to reach your full potential, and a right to be listened to, and for your views to be taken seriously. To make sure that you have your rights in school, we think it's important that schools make children's rights a really big part of school life. This can sound like a difficult job for teachers and pupils, but we're hoping to give you a better idea of what this means in this video. Here are some things your school could do to help you enjoy your rights. Your school should celebrate children's rights and give you lots of opportunities to learn about your rights in lots of different ways. And we don't just mean you pupils. Teachers and parents should also learn about children's rights and how important they are. One thing to always remember about rights is that we all have them. No matter our age, if we're a girl or a boy, whatever our religion or race, whether we have a disability or not. Your school should celebrate you all as individuals and never treat you differently because of who you are. Another thing your school should do is to make sure that you know who to talk to if you don't feel safe. You all have a right to feel safe, and if you don't, it's really important that you know where to go and that the adults around you listen carefully to what you have to say. Teachers should also listen to your views to find out how they can make your school better. This could be through circle time, school council, pupil voice groups or surveys. There are lots of ways your school could do this. To show that they've listened, your school should show you how your views have made a difference. If all schools take these simple steps, children from across Wales will grow happier, healthier and safer. And every one of you will enjoy the right to be the best you can be in your school.